Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what I like to do is to create videos that I would have found helpful when I first got out looking for treasure. Things like silver or gold. Today's video, if I can put that coin back, is an eBay package. It's a little bit of an unusual one for me. I have a thing about buying these jewelry lots. I generally don't do it. I find that most of the people that are selling the jewelry lots are pretty savvy. And, you know, I'm looking for silver and gold that are kind of overlooked. So usually I don't grab these. This one, though, I decided to try. And the reason was that I had missed by just seconds another lot by this particular seller that looked for all the world like it had some gold in it. And I thought, you know, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this lot. It's $30. I think I made an offer. You know, you make a lowball offer and they take it. After shipping, I think this was $30. And I thought, we'll see. We'll see if we get anything cool out of it. And if not, you know, it'll just reinforce my notion that I should stay away from jewelry lots. And if nothing else, there may be something fun in here for my daughter. She is definitely getting more and more into jewelry now. So let us have a look and see what was in this jewelry lot. Now, at the end of the video, you'll get to see the pictures of the lot that prompted me to buy it. And my thought was that maybe there was a piece or two in here that was sterling or gold, preferably. The pictures are so bad, you know, you can't really tell. This is eBay. Tara or Tara. Dog tag. Jacks. So we're definitely looking at, we'll pull out the magnet here, but we're definitely looking at some stuff that's just going to be, you know, this is just going to be plated in steel. And that's kind of what I expect for most of this, if not all of it, honestly. That's a nice stone, though. Maybe a bit of jasper? I don't know. Well, we'll hang that one up. Somebody's probably going to want that one. Let's see. What else do we have in here? That's definitely going to be plate. Yeah, sometimes these are gold. Generally 1970s, not so much. And Jostin's there. It's just a piece of plate. Butterfly. Tag says something here. It says, I'm costume. Avon. I know there's some Avon collecting, so maybe somebody is going to be interested in that somewhere down the line. These are sometimes silver, some of the expensive ones. Generally be marked as such. I don't think this one is. Now, it's not reacting to the magnet, but that part is. So I think it's just plate. I think it would tell us, and it would look better if it were actually silver. Kind of interesting. Sadly, it's just plastic, and the plastic is wearing off. Nope. Little kitty charm bracelet. Now, sometimes on these, you'll have like one charm or two charms that are silver or even gold. But not in this case. That one looks like it all came as is. And this is also costume. All right, so nothing in there that we are excited about. I wasn't expecting that anyways. My hope was that one of the rings might have been gold. But with the aid of our trusty shears, we'll find out momentarily. Okay, so right on top, looks pretty silvery. Let's see. Maybe? Oh, it's copyright 1997. Huh. Nope. That's definitely nothing. Little patch. Little patch, a little bit of nothing. 24 karat gold plated. Yeah. I've never actually looked at any of these Pampered Chef pins. Not seeing anything that looks especially gold. Thinking, nope. $1997 top performer, that is, yeah, that's nothing. And Hands Across the World, that's nothing. Okay. That's kind of cool. Carved shell. Put together a couple of pieces. We'll put that in our cool things pile. Very costumey. I don't know what that is. Oh, some kind of little pouch with some kind of thing in it. A little ring for some purpose. Maybe that's one of those rubber wedding rings. Community living. That's clearly a big old chunk of plate, I think. Doesn't look right for solid. Yeah, see how all these stones are glued in? They have like the little studs around them to make it look like they're set, but they're not. Same thing here, glued in stones. This is your day. Celebrate. I will if you give me gold. She looks rather smug. I don't think that's going to be it. Nope. You can see how it's like some sort of soft stuff with stones just like pressed into it. Oh, there's some old clip-ons. Same thing, little Buddha bells. Some kind of earring, ear cuff combo. Little present. What's in the present? Little angel. How cute. Magnetic. Just another bit of costume. By the looks of it, yeah. Definitely have plate coming up on the inside. Nice little dragonfly. Not a very expensive little pin, but oh, that looks like it's a little bit of some kind of damascene from Spain. Needs a couple pearls replaced, but that might be repairable. Some flowers. All right, I'm down to brass tacks. That has a very plate look to it. Yeah, you can see where all the plate's coming up. Nope. Softball, and then Nothing in this lot. So that reinforces my don't buy jewelry lots off of eBay, because they're not worth it. With that, I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and most importantly, I hope that you can use this information to go out and not buy eBay lots, because they don't have treasure in them.